You know that feeling? The one where a single mouth-watering aroma stops you in the tracks, takes you straight to the bursting South Indian kitchen. The promise of a feast for your senses. Well, get ready because that's exactly what we are looking today. This isn't just any rice recipe, this is Kuska, the unsung hero of South Indian kitchens. A plain biryani so full of flavor it needs no company, yet pairs perfectly with everything. It's warm, it's spicy, it's fragrant with whole spices and fresh herbs. And I'm going to show you exactly how it needs to be done and how to make it so perfectly fluffy, absolutely irresistible. Let's get started. Now to make this, first I have taken rice. I am taking Jirga Sambar rice here. I have taken 1 cup of it, washed it thoroughly and soaked it for around 30 minutes. To this, what I'm taking a cooker pan. I'm doing this in a cooker. So I'm going to take some oil, say around 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of ghee. Ghee is very important, don't skip this. And we'll add some bay leaves and some shahi jeera. This is known as a black cumin. And we'll add some cardamom and star anise, cinnamon, cloves. 1 inch of cinnamon is more than enough, and some slit green chilies. You can add the green chilies however you want, and keep it in mind, you check out for the spiciness to your levels. And give this a mix and saute it till it gets a nice aroma. After it is done, this lad will add some kasturi methi and give it a nice mix for about 30 seconds. It will give out a nice aroma. Soon after that, we'll add 1 roughly chopped onions and 1 chopped tomato, salt as per taste, and here comes the turmeric, a little bit of ginger garlic paste, say around 1 tablespoon or a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and a handful of chopped washed pudina or mint leaves and some coriander leaves. And this is an optional one. This is the fresh piece. You have a fresh piece, then add it, or else you can completely skip this. And you need to cook until all the onions, tomatoes get completely fried, and it will take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Soon after this is done, we'll add the soaked rice into this. Now you can see the main ingredient comes here. This is known as a vegetable stock or a chicken stock. I'm using vegetable stock here. So you get a small vegetable stocks. Now I added that one. So in this cup I have taken 1 cup of rice, so that I need to add 1.5 cups of water because I have soaked the rice for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to add nearly 1.5 cups of hot water. That's it. Give this a nice mix. Check for the seasoning. If you want some salt, you can add at this time. If you want some spiciness, you can add a little bit of pepper also. So it's everything perfect. I'm going to add a squeeze in a lemon. 1 lemon juice is more than enough. Now it tastes perfect. Now look, you can see the water is boiling. At this time we'll close the lid of the cooker and allow this to cook for about 3 whistles or until the rice is perfectly cooked. Now you can see it's been 3 whistles. The pressure is also gone naturally. You can see here, that's very, very important. And after that, we'll open the lid. And there you have it, a dish that proves that plain is anything but boring. Kuska is more than just a rice. It's a testament to the power of few simple spices, a touch of ghee, and the magic of slow cooking. Every spoonful is a symphony of warmth from the cinnamon, hint of herbs, green chilies, and fragrant under-earthy tones from the herbs. Now go on, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you served your Kuska with. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, this is Deepaks signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.